When you want to buy, build, or remodel, you have enough on your mind without having to search for the money. So make it easy on yourself. Talk to the Americans, American National Bank in Lawton. We have money for first mortgages and home improvements. You'll find it's easy to do business with the Americans. So if you're thinking of buying, building, or remodeling, talk to the Americans about the money. American National Bank in Lawton, member FDIC. Once you find the home you want, you shouldn't have to search for the money.
You don't. Talk to the Americans. American National Bank in Lawton. We have money for first mortgages.
Once you own a home, you shouldn't have to search for money for improvements.
You don't. Talk to the Americans. We have money for home improvements.
There's money for first mortgages, money for home improvements at the American National Bank in Lawton.
Member FDIC.
This is the picture a lot of people have of bankers. You won't find anyone like this at American National. We understand how complicated banking seems to have gotten, so we're trying to bring plain talk back to banking, to explain interest rates, budgeting, auto loans, CDs, whatever you want to know, and explain them in terms we can all understand. So if you have any questions, call American National in Lawton, or come in for some plain talk. You don't even have to bank here. Your bank should do more than just give you an auto loan. It should help you buy the car. Talk to American National Bank in Lawton. We'll help with things like the minimum options you should consider for both resale and safety, what your old car is worth, wholesale and retail, the best time of the year to buy, the true interest rate you can get, and how much you can borrow. There's a lot more help the Americans can give you when you buy a car. So when you're ready, come in for some plain talk. Have you ever been mad at American National? Most likely the answer is yes. Bankers are human too. Though a lot of people don't think so, we're bound to make mistakes or do something that you don't like sometime. Maybe your checking account statement is wrong, or maybe it isn't but you think it is, or any number of things. If so, come in for some plain talk. American National in Lawton. We can't always make things right, but a lot of times we can. Do you know how to make marshmallows? Or a violin? How about a television set? If you wanted to know, you wouldn't be embarrassed to ask. And you shouldn't be embarrassed to ask about banking services. A lot of banks are cold and impersonal. American National in Lawton isn't. Talk to the Americans about loans, savings and checking accounts, CDs, credit, whatever you want to know about banking. When you want plain talk, talk to the Americans. You don't even have to bank here.